clear your lungs and stop coughing. This is a natural recipe to cleanse the lungs and stop coughing. Today we are going to prepare a syrup to cleanse the lungs and eliminate secretions from the bronchi. This recipe contains simple ingredients that you certainly have at home, for when you have an irritating cough that won't leave you alone, and also bronchitis. Rest assured, because there is a natural recipe to help you. First, we are going to peel a banana. Preferably use a ripe banana. And then we are going to grind it on a plate. While after grinding the banana in a glass, we are going to add 200 milliliters of boiling water on top of the banana. Once done, we stir it up a bit. Then we let it rest for about 15 minutes. After that time, we pass it through a strainer. We won't use the solid part of the banana, okay? We will use only the liquid part. Try to get as much liquid out of it. You are pushing it like this. Once that is done, it will be ready, and then we're going to pour it into a glass. And the drink is now ready. If you want it, you can take it yourself. But I will also show you another option, that is honey. Honey adds other benefits and flavor.